Hi, it's Angeline here. I have a crafty video with Unity stamp today, and I'm gonna show you how I've painted these florals using some watercolors. So I already stamped these beautiful florals by Unity stamp called the Blooming Peonies on some watercolor cardstock, and this stamp set is so huge it fills up the entire piece of cardstock. This card I'm coloring right now, it's bigger than an A2 size card, so this is such a color trigger happy stamp set. I'm just coloring my heart out here, creating a rainbow gradient with my Altenew watercolors here, and I'm just going to let the music play and color. So here's my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this video on how I've colored these florals, and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!